Uh-oh, you're gonna get run over, Steve. Oh, almost did a cyclonic curve. He did a curve, he just didn't do a spin. Yeah, we're still working on cleaning up after the festivities of the weekend. Oh, the weather is cleaning up nicely, isn't it? It was cloudy an hour ago. That's why I waited. No, I'm only kidding. It's fun laying in bed once in a while. So we're just after 8 a.m. We got a nice breeze coming in from the west. I always talk about which way the boats are pointed. They're like gulls. They point into the wind, unless the current is overwhelming. And so they're pointed toward the west. Wind from the west is best. There's drier air coming in at pretty much all levels of the atmosphere. Front is kind of right over southern New England right now, so still a chance of a shower or two. What happened last night, front came in, low pressure developed. You know, I was working out in the yard in the middle of the day yesterday. I didn't say it was going to rain in the middle of the day yesterday, and it did. Anyhow, that was about all the rain we got. Boston came in with 0.05. Low pressure over Maine, coast of Maine's moving to the east. Northern Maine is where the really good rain came in last night, with Caribou coming in with close to an inch. Burlington, Vermont got about a half inch. What's that white moth again? You see that white moth? We can talk more about that later. What are those things? A lot going on. It's a vacation week, and I've got some special requests for forecasts. The Hingham Bay Twilight Race series every Wednesday. Wind from the west and southwest this morning is going to come around from the northwest, 10 to 20. It's going to tend to diminish, and with high pressure going to our north late today, tonight, we're actually going to have wind come in from the north and northeast, sustained around maybe 10, not that much wind, but we may have some gusts over 15, maybe close to 20 knots. There's the sort of 10-meter graphic forecast for 7 o'clock tonight, and that darker blue may just edge in there. So that's your Wednesday night race forecast, and we've got a lot of tributes today, birthdays. Kathy, also in Hull. Happy birthday, Kathy. Big sister Jenny, her birthday today, and she's just around the corner over there in Canton. Hi, Jenny. And let's see, we've got a new member of the family yesterday, July 5th, Zoe Pisa. Welcome to the world, Zoe. And she would be grand niece, I guess, yes. Greg and Sarah Pisa, congratulations. So it's fun having a new baby in the family, and I haven't met her yet. Okay, so what goes on after this Wednesday? We have the dew point really coming down today, so much drier air is coming in. You can probably hear it with the wind. I'm gonna get down behind this massive sunflower here and give the forecast. So I showed, all right, there's the Wednesday evening map, and let's go to the Thursday map. Not much going on. High pressure goes to the north, and then Friday, a wave on a front to our south. That's interesting. It looks like it's going to be so far south that most of the rain's going to miss. It is going to get humid again with a chance of a few showers, but that almost looks like it could generate a little surf. Oh yeah, and we've been talking about quiet tropics, but Bonnie held together. I keep making the satellite image each morning, but I never show it. Bonnie held together and ramped up to a Category 2 hurricane off the coast of Mexico. Anyhow, tropics are pretty much quiet. Other than that, there's a man kayaking with his fishing gear right there. Why not? Plenty of fish. So Wednesday looking pretty nice. Thursday looking okay. Clouds are coming in. Friday, chance of a few showers. Can we have a nice Wednesday and a nice Saturday? Yes, we can. I think, you know, today's kind of a mixed day, and Saturday looks like high pressure comes in again to the north, so it's a little cooler, but the dew point's going to go down again. The dew point again this weekend is going to be in the 50s and maybe even 40s on Sunday. That is just amazing stretch of weather we're having here. And yeah, I saw Ralph had his first red cherry tomato yesterday. Cherries go first. When are we going to get those guys to turn, the big boys? Anyhow, I'll leave you with, oh, you want to, oh, I did not do what I said I was going to do. You're supposed to do your Montauk daisies on July 4th. I didn't do it. There's a weed in there, but that's a flower growing where I kind of like it. A glory, right? All right, Rex, good boy. We're going to leave you with a bird on a wire, almost like clockwork, and what are those white things? Moths or butterflies? What's the difference between a moth or a butterfly? Let's answer that one tomorrow. Almost like clockwork. Every afternoon the cardinal shows up on the wire. Almost like clockwork. TK blows the wind forecast again. Expected it to get a little gusty ahead of this cold front. The day's not over, but glassy water right now. Flag hanging still. Make out a little breeze out there in the channel. Looks like from the south-southeast. See the boats pointed in two different directions. So you get the current and the wind kind of competing. Not much and more today. What about these white moths? What are they? Didn't capture it. They don't slow down for a second.